How to make text to video. A step-by-step guide. There are several websites that allow you to convert text to video for free. Some of the most popular ones are Lumen 5. This website allows you to create video content by simply entering a blog post or article URL, or by pasting your own text into the editor. It uses AI to automatically generate video scenes based on your text, and you can customize the visuals, music, and other elements to fit your needs. Animaker. This website offers a variety of video templates and styles that you can use to create animated videos from your text. It also has a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to customize your video's visuals, characters, and music. Biteable. This website lets you choose from a variety of video templates, including ones specifically designed for text-to-video conversion. You can customize your video by adding your own text, images, and music, and the platform also offers a range of animated characters and graphics to choose from. Adobe Spark Video. This website offers a simple video editor that allows you to create animated videos from your own text and images. It includes a library of templates and themes, as well as options to add music and other customizations. Overall, these websites are all great options for creating video content from your text, and each has its own unique features and benefits. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more informative videos, so kindly subscribe my channel, like and share.